You might be taking Ozempic incorrectly, and it could be affecting your results. In this video, we are breaking down what microdosing Ozempic actually means, why it is gaining so much attention on YouTube, TikTok, and Reddit, and what both science and real people are beginning to say about how it works. I am a licensed pharmacist, and you are watching Pharmacist Online, where we make medication advice simple, relatable, and straight to the point. So first of all, what is microdosing Ozempic? It refers to the practice of taking much smaller doses than what is officially prescribed. Sometimes this means using just a tiny click or two on the injection pen, not even enough to qualify as a full dose. Why do people choose to do this? There are a few reasons. To minimize unpleasant side effects such as nausea or stomach discomfort, to reduce the cost, because Ozempic can be very expensive, or to gradually ease into the medication if they are nervous about starting with a full dose. But here is the important part. Microdosing Ozempic is completely off-label. That means it has not been approved by the FDA, and there is no formal research supporting its use in such small amounts. You are essentially experimenting on your own. And when it comes to managing weight or controlling diabetes, two of the main reasons Ozempic is prescribed, microdosing might not produce the results that many are hoping for. The medication is designed to be effective within a specific dosage range, starting at 0.25 milligrams and increasing over time. Those extremely small, unmeasured doses, they often do not reach a therapeutic level. So if you are expecting significant fat loss or improved blood sugar control from microdosing, it is unlikely to work unless your metabolism is already very stable or you are extremely sensitive to the medication. Still, many people online are praising the approach. On Reddit, TikTok, and YouTube, individuals are claiming that even microdoses helped them feel less hungry or reduced their cravings. Some have said it helped with emotional eating or stopped their late-night snacking completely. And there are even more unexpected claims. Some say they experienced clearer thinking, better focus, and reduced anxiety. On one podcast, Dr. Tina Moore shared that she used small amounts of Semaglutide to help with brain fog, and her mom's Crohn's symptoms got better, easing her chronic pain. While these are not scientific studies, they are certainly interesting to hear. Other individuals report fewer cravings for alcohol and better emotional regulation. Some experts believe this is due to the way GLP-1, the hormone that Ozempic mimics, affects the brain's reward system, the same pathways involved in cravings and addiction. There is also early research suggesting that GLP-1 medications may benefit heart health. One major study showed that semaglutide reduced the risk of serious cardiovascular events by 20% in people with obesity. However, it is important to note that these results were achieved using standard therapeutic doses, not microdoses. So, what is the bottom line when it comes to microdosing Ozempic? It is popular. It is getting a lot of attention, but it is not a magic solution. For individuals with stable health who are looking for mild benefits, like less food noise, improved focus, or fewer cravings, it might offer some value. However, for managing chronic conditions such as diabetes or obesity, microdosing is unlikely to be effective. These conditions require consistent and clinically proven dosing. And please remember, using Ozempic in this way has not been studied or approved. Always speak with your healthcare provider before making any changes to how you take any medication, especially one as powerful as this. In our next videos, we cover how people measure these microdosing clicks. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Pharmacist Online for more clear, trustworthy health information. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.